Are your wheels making obnoxious noises like this? It's more than likely the brake pad wear indicator letting you know that your brake pad life is dangerously low and that it's time for new brakes. So we have an old pad on the left and a new pad on the right, and you can see how much of a difference there is in the amount of material between the two. Over time, this pad material will wear down to the point that this little wear indicator right here will start to rub on your rotor. And that's what makes that obnoxiously loud and annoying squeaky squealy sound. And it's letting you know it's time for new brake pads and rotors. If you're curious as to how to change your own brakes, it's actually a very easy job to do and a great place to start if you're first learning how to work on cars. I've made a very in-depth tutorial video that I'll post at the top right corner of the screen as well as down in the description. But basically, it involves simply removing these 5 lug nuts to remove your wheel. And then, here's your caliper. You'll remove these 2 nuts to remove this caliper. And then on the back, you'll see there's 2 more nuts right here, and that'll remove the bracket. And you'll basically take everything out, clean everything up, put it back together, and you're done. It's also important to lubricate your brakes every 2 years to ensure that your caliper and your pads are moving freely to ensure the longest life possible out of your brakes. Basically, there are these slider pins that need to be lubricated with a little bit of 3M silicone paste, as well as there are these retainers that your pads fit into, and that also needs to be lubricated with some brake parts lubricant. Doing this has allowed my front brakes to last an astounding 101,000 miles, and my rear brakes lasted 88,000 miles. So I hope you all found my quick video helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe. It certainly helps me out a lot. Also, check out the description. I'll be posting those links to the other videos down there. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm really good at getting back to people. So as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day and take care.